So we are working on building a SaaS. And when I say we, I don't mean we as in some big corporate company. It's actually just me and Nas. And so if you guys have been following our YouTube channel, Clever Programmer, you've seen Nas on my channel quite a lot of times. And we decided, hey, look, we've been doing YouTube and it's a lot of fun and we want to continue doing it. We've been teaching people how to code, build apps. It's a lot of fun. We want to continue doing it. Makes a big impact in the world. But the thing that really excites us and really drives us is actually building software. We want to build a SaaS and we want to make that SaaS work and have it make money and bring a difference in the world. And the way that I could give you this analogy is the same as fighters. Fighters want to be fighters. Yeah, maybe they want to coach at some point. Maybe, yeah, they want to have students. Maybe they want to, share the lessons that they have learned. And they do enjoy that. But you've seen that happen, right? Fighters will eventually turn into coaches and they kind of get a little fat. Then they'll coach other fighters and then they kind of live vicariously through these other fighters. And Nas and I kept seeing that happen where we had these students and a bunch of our students are building these apps and some of them are starting these startups and companies that are making a lot of money and crushing it. And part of us is like, man, we want to be in the fucking ring, We want to be in the ring and we want to be fighting. We don't just want to be outside and coaching. And it also makes us a better coach. Because would you rather have a coach that hasn't fought in years as a fighter? Or would you rather have a coach that's still fighting and then also coaches you? And so, from my perspective, I'm thinking, even for our students at Clever Programmer, it's better if we're actually building a software ourselves, trying to take it to market, trying to have it make money in the market, gets proven by the market, and then we use that to then go and teach, right? And we come and share all of those lessons and knowledge with you. And what that basically also means is our relationship might change a little bit, because up until now it's been student and teacher. But I think what would be really fucking cool is if it becomes a relationship like peers, where we are just sharing our lessons and our journey with you. And not like a teacher, not like a mentor, but just somebody who's doing it right now, live. That's why we moved to San Francisco. That's why we're setting up this brand new place that we're in. I don't even have my camera set up, so I'm just shooting this on an iPhone. But we have this epic place here, and we want to basically build a software out of this. And a lot of stuff has happened in our lives personally, and we just kind of found a great moment to be like, let's leave. Nas was in Michigan. I was in LA, but it's been a dream of mine to build a software. It's been a dream of his to build a software. And this just felt like the right time. Our leases were ending. And so we're like, hey, let's go to San Francisco. Let's be in the Silicon Valley, be around the people that are building this shit every single day. And let's set a goal to make $10,000 a month with a software. And let's try to do that in 30 days. And let's see if we can actually make that happen. It might take us longer than 30 days, but what we want to do is document that journey and share that journey with you every single day. So on our Instagram, our goal is to make one reel every day and publish it and share our daily journey there. And then on this YouTube channel, we also want to share that journey with you. And if you're on my email newsletter, we're going to share that journey with you through the email newsletter as well. And so you'll see us fail, you'll see us learn, and you can laugh at us, you can laugh with us, whatever you want. But the main thing you'll get out of it is lessons, hard learned and hard earned lessons. And we will share all of those shamelessly. And if we fail every single day for 10 days or 100 days or 365 days, you will see it, all of it. Our goal is to not hide it. Our goal is to share it all, because it's one thing to be successful at doing YouTube and teaching and also being a good software developer, but it's a completely different thing to be a startup founder, build a SaaS, and make that SaaS work. So I'm excited. I hope you join us on this journey to us building a SaaS to 10K a month and beyond. Our first goal is 10K a month, and I hope you enjoy it. So in the meantime, like, share, subscribe, do all of that stuff. You crazy kids. Nas, come say hi.
Hey!
Let's go, bro.
Let's fucking go.
We're hyped. I'll see you in the next video.